TradeView TraderPro. How to get started. Software tutorial.
By default, you may have the positions window in your workspace. It may be tabbed with the account summary, completed orders, and working orders windows. If the positions window is not open, go to the menu bar, Trading, Positions and Order Management, and select Positions. Positions. The Positions window shows all positions bought or sold during the current trading session, as well as any positions that were carried over from a prior trading session. Blue, the row selected with your mouse cursor. Green indicates a long position. Gray, flat or no open position. Red indicates a short position. The positions window is divided into columns and rows. Scroll to the right to view additional columns. To hide or show a column, right-click anywhere in the Positions window and select Column Setup. To add a column, select an item from the available columns list and click the Add button. To remove a column, select an item from the list of visible columns and click the Remove button. Columns. This tutorial will cover just a few of the more commonly used columns. Additional details can be found in our user guide, Positions Window Header Definitions, gainedfutures.com/userguide/trader, or by going to the menu bar Help, then select User Guide. Account refers to the account number. Symbol, the contract symbols of the futures contract. Net position, the sum of previous bought and sold. Number previous, the number of contracts carried from a prior session. Previous price, the average position price from the prior session. Number bought, contracts bought in the current session. Average buy price, the average buy price of all buy orders. Number sold, contracts sold in the current session. Average sell price, the average sell price of all sell orders. Open P&L, the profit and loss of an open position, also called open trade equity. Realized P&L, the profit and loss from positions offset. Total P&L, the sum of open and realized P&L. As a reminder, if you have multiple accounts, use the account selection list in the top right corner to toggle between accounts. The position window displays one account at a time. Roll contract. If the first notice date or last trading day is approaching, you may want to roll open positions to the next contract month. To do this, right-click on the contract and select Roll. Then Contract Month. When you roll a contract from one expiration to the other, market orders are executed. As a result, you may realize a profit or loss. You may want to talk to your introducing broker before placing such order. Exit positions. You may exit open positions in one of two ways. 1. Use the exit buttons on the toolbar. 2. Use the exit options in the right-click menu. You may exit positions one by highlighting a row and clicking Exit Market, or Exit at Limit, or clicking Exit All to close all open positions at once.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.